Shout with joy to Elohim, all the earth. Sing out the splendor of his name, make his praise esteemed. Say to Elohim, how awesome are your works. Through the greatness of your power, your enemies pretend obedience to you. All the earth bow to you. They sing praises to you. They praise your name, Selah. Come and see the works of Elohim. It's acts toward the sons of men. He has turned the sea into dry land. They went through the river on foot. There we rejoiced in him. The rules by his power forever. His eyes keeping watch on the Gentiles. Let the rebellious not exalt themselves. Selah, Baruch Elohim, you peoples, and sound his praise abroad, who keeps us in life, and does not allow our feet to be moved. For you, O Elohim, have proved us. You have refined us as silver is refined. You brought us into the net. You laid affliction on our loins. You have led men right at our head. We went through fire and through water, but you brought us out to plenty. I enter your house with burnt offerings. I complete my vows to you, that which my lips have uttered and my mouth spoken my distress. Burnt offerings of fatlings I offer to you. With incense of rams I offer bulls with goats. Selah, come here, all who revere Elohim, and I relate what he has done for my being. I called to him with my mouth, and praise was in my tongue. If I have seen wickedness in my heart, Yahuah would not hear. Truly, Elohim has heard me. He has given heed to the voice of my prayer. Baruch be Elohim, who has not turned away my prayer, nor his kindness